Everyone is talking about AI tools, but few show what they actually pay for and how they use them in real life. So in this video, I'll walk you through all of my AI subscriptions, all 7 of them. I'll show you how much I pay for them, what I use them for, are they actually worth keeping, and which ones I have canceled so far. Let's see if spending over $300 a month on AI is actually worth it. I'd love to hear your opinion on this. First, my favorite tool is, of course, ChatGPT, because I use it every single day for too many use cases. Writing YouTube scripts, translating from Kyrgyz to Russian, or brainstorming ideas for my next YouTube video, getting legal advice. You can see right here my chats, so many conversations. And now I even started creating folders, or as they call them, projects, so that I can group my conversations. If I had to cancel everything else and only keep one AI subscription, it would be ChatGPT. Only $20 a month, but I feel like I'm getting $1,000 benefit. My next subscription is Google Gemini. This one I mainly use for email and API integrations. Gemini is built right into Gmail, Google Slides, and the other Google Suite products. Mainly right now I'm using it for composing email responses faster, more professionally, and without overthinking. My use case with Google AI is not flashy, but it quietly saves me time every single day. My next subscription is Cursor. It's my main coding assistant. It's like ChatGPT, but for developers. It understands context across files, helps with debugging, and lets me make new components very fast. It literally speeds up coding. My next AI subscription is Descript. It's a video editing tool. It costs $35 a month. It's not just a regular video editing tool like iMovie or CapCut. It's heavily AI powered. I love its AI features. For example, it has these things called AI tools. It can run through my text and find parts that do not make sense. It can remove filler words. I can edit the word, and using AI, it'll generate the new word. So it'll sound like I'm saying the new word. It's fantastic. I cannot tell the difference between my AI voice and my real voice, so it's pretty cool. My next subscription is Lovable. As you can see, I've created a lot of projects in Lovable. Recently, I created a website for my friend who has a towing company, and then I spun up a website for my friend who has a car repair shop. Then I was just experimenting and created this barbershop website. I featured it in my recent videos. I integrated this with Gemini recent. For this, you wouldn't believe it, but I'm spending $245 a month. The reason I got this expensive package is because I thought I'll use it extensively for the first month and then I will dial down. But when I was signing up, I wanted to make use of this annual discount. And when I did, they got me for the whole year. I cannot cancel it for the 12 month. Now I'm stuck. My next subscription is Replicate. It's a really cool website where you can explore all possible AI models under the sun. You can generate images, generate videos, some language models, and a bunch of other things that I don't quite understand. You can create a model, push a model. If anybody knows what these even mean, please leave it in the comment. But the one I use is video model. They have all possible video models from Bytedance, from Sora, and Google Veo 3.1, which just came out recently. Earlier today, I generated the birthday video for my uncle. This is my uncle with his wife, my aunt, and he generated a video like they're doing a TikTok dance. So this is a model from Bytedance. I went to another model to generate the sound for it. For Replicate, I don't have a monthly fee. It is pay as you go based on API usage. And currently it's coming out to about $10 to $15 a month, which is very reasonable. Have you heard of Sora, the AI video model? You know, Sora is invite only. You cannot use Sora if you don't have an invite. But to Replicate, you can use Sora. Very cool, right? So these are my AI subscriptions, all 7 of them. So I spend about $350 a month on AI subscriptions. If I had to pick one AI subscription that I had to keep and everything else cancel, it would be ChatGPT. If there was one AI subscription that is underrated, it would be Descript, the AI video editing tool. And honestly, it seems like the different subscriptions that I have are becoming AI smart. So we are all slowly migrating to tools that have AI capabilities because they save time, they automate the boring stuff, and let us focus on the creativity. If you enjoy this breakdown, please leave me a comment. Tell me, what is your favorite AI tool? How does it give you value and how much do you spend on it per month? Please remember to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and like this. Your support means everything to me. Thank you.